You think your day has 24 hours? Well, sure, in theory. Okay, let's see. 7 hours of sleep if you're lucky. 8, 9 at work pretending to focus. 2 more eating and scrolling. 1 stuck in traffic. Another one for errands and grown-up stuff. And yeah, that's the day. Gone. You know what? You're not out of time. Time's out of you. You're running all day, but are you actually moving anywhere? That's exactly why we need a smarter way to grow. That's where microlearning comes in. Short, focused lessons that fit right into your day, not around it. It's not just convenience, it's brain science. Short sessions keep focus sharp and overload low. Come back to an idea later, and your brain locks it in. That's spaced repetition. Microlearning is basically a time hack, a way to grow while life keeps moving. Turns out, the smartest way to learn isn't about finding time, it's about using it right.